In this video, you will learn how to adjust settings on an individual student level. First, find the assignment that you want to edit, and then click Edit beside the assignment. Scroll to the bottom of the page to find Advanced Settings. Here, you can select your section name under Configure per Student. This page will list out all the students within your section and show you all the individual capabilities that you can adjust per student. You can adjust the due date, copy and paste settings, allow and unallow blocks, and also access controls on an individual student level. In addition, with the new assignments features, you can now assign and unassign specific activities to your students.